Hey y'all, hey. I'm back in the car. Hey y'all, hey. I'm back in the car. I told you I'm always vlogging in the car because I'm always having to do stuff and I like to bring you guys along. So I just left the store. It is my girlfriend's, my good girlfriend's bridal shower today, and I'm part of the planning committee. So I'm be running around trying to get all this stuff done. And I just arrived to the house and I'm about to start unloading all this crap. I got a lot of stuff in my car. Unload, get everything set up so we can get things moving and get this bridal shower party started. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, so it is time to get this party started. About to go set up, get everything going. Planning committee on deck. Okay, here we go. Things are. Where we going? See, this the semi setup. This the planning committee. Hey, we said that here now. I guess over there. Oh. Yeah. Say hi.
Oh, I'm a sweaty mess.
No worry, we all look like it. We all looking like a mess. So our outdoor festivities is now being rained down. But I know it ain't nobody's but God's way of saying this is gonna be a blessed event. Right? We getting rained out. Jeez. Trying to seek shelter in the rain. We getting rained out on the day of an outdoor event. The weather said it's supposed to be sunny. Okay, things are coming together, y'all. Y'all see that up there? That's clear sky, baby. The rain done cleared out, but it's coming together. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be nice. I'm excited. All right, y'all. It came out cute. The party about to get started. Look at that. Gorge. All right, and it is time to partake. All right. Okay. Mrs. Cute. Okay, so we're back. Party's about to get started. I look a little better. Put some clothes on. And yeah, let's get this party started. Today's outfits, real cute. It is a garden party, all pink. So yeah, this is really comfy too because I'm helping. So I can move around and still be cute. I actually got these from Amazon. And I have on my Gucci slides because we are outside and I need to be comfortable and cute. guys, so this is what, I don't know what day this is, but it's a work week and your girl has been working. Yes, I have a full-time job outside of content creation, so that's what I've been doing all week. It is nothing really exciting to record, so I didn't record any of that, but today just finishing up my full-time job, and I have some YouTube videos that I need to put some finishing touches on, put like the what do you call it, the thumbnails and all that good stuff on. So I need to do that and schedule it for posting. So I need to go ahead and do that. I need to do my hair. My hair is a hot mess. It's been looking like this all week. Outside is opening, but I'm resistant. Like, you see this? I need to get my life together. So I'm gonna do something to my hair. I did buy some aloe. So I think I might use that because my hair needs moisture so bad. So I think I'm gonna do an aloe deep conditioning treatment. I've done that on my channel. I actually posted something like that on how I use aloe for my hair. If you're interested, you can go check that out. But yeah, about to edit this video, finishing up the video, doing all of that, and schedule it for posting. So yeah, I'm about to finish the video or putting the stuff for this video up so this can go live. I am just eating something for today. This is Greek yogurt and granola. This is all I've had for today. Okay, I've been working that hard today. But yeah, I'm about to finish all this stuff up, and yeah. So good morning. I don't know what day this is. I think this is next day, but I'm just waking up. I had the opportunity to sleep in. Oh my God, it felt so good. Which that rarely happens. So I feel well rested. I have a lot of stuff to do today. First, I need to wash my hair. Like, this is a whole trifling situation and I should be ashamed. Okay, as your favorite girl cussing, that my hair's been like this for the last, I don't know, 2 weeks. It just needs major help. So I'm gonna do like an aloe vera plant treatment. I'm gonna take the fresh aloe and put that on my hair, moisturize, send out of the steamer, or do a steaming, deep conditioning, washing. Get my hair together, because I think I'm gonna be doing a small protective style because your girl just found out I might be going out of town. So I do not want to deal with my hair while I'm out of town. So I'm gonna prep my hair, wash it, do all that good stuff for easy protective style. I'm still undecided on what I'm gonna do, but yeah. But for now, I'm gonna get my morning together, get my coffee together, and get my aloe all prepped for my hair. Now, my coffee, all right? And I have been using this super collagen. It's the Neo Cell Super Collagen. It's good for your hair, skin, and nails. I've been using this for a while. But yeah, it's really good for your skin and nails and stuff like that. But so I use it. I actually do 2 scoops in my coffee per day. And listen, like I just said, I just realized I'm gonna be going out of town, going on a small vacay, and I decided to do a small intermittent fasting because your sis, I gotta, you know, I want to come down a little bit, just slim and trim, nothing, no big deal, but because I have been showing off, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm doing an intermittent fasting. I think I'm gonna do like a 16-hour window, fasting window. So right now I'm just drinking my coffee with my collagen and just a little bit of splash of creamer. I know when you're fasting, you're not supposed to have a certain amount of calories, but I need something in this black coffee. I can't do straight black coffee yet. I'm not that mature yet. I'm not. So yeah, so we're doing an intermittent fasting, and then starting back in my workout plan, because it's been bad. I've been a lazy bitch. Like, I've been lazy, bitch. So I need to just start working back out and get my whole life together. But Yeah, y'all going with me on this journey, like intermittent fasting, and then just getting myself like back together, working out in the mornings. But yeah. But in the meantime, let me get this hair together, cut my aloe up to prep my hair for deep conditioning, and that's it. Just prepping my aloe. I get my aloe, of course, from a grocery store. You can find your aloe from the grocery store, okay? I don't have an aloe plant, so I buy my aloe from the grocery store. But it's real simple how I prep it. I basically want to get the aloe gel out of here to put directly on my hair. And I just go through and just make sizable like pieces of the aloe. I have 2 big stems because my hair is really thick, so I need a lot of it. And like I said, I've been on real like trifling mode and have not been washing my hair, so I know I'm gonna need a lot. So I just cut the ends off like that real quick and slice it down the middle, and bam, you see the aloe like that? Ooh. And another thing I do, I poke it to loosen up the gel. So once I do all of that, I just put it on a tray to get it ready for my hair. So yeah, I do all of the pieces like that. And that's it. It's real simple. Aloe is so good for the hair and skin. So yeah, and I've been doing this for a while now. My hair loves it. You have to be careful though with the aloe. Depending on your hair, it can wreak havoc. So if you want to try this, I suggest you trying it on a strand of your hair before going 8 wow on your whole head. I did a video on this too, and I'll link it below or put it up in the cards for y'all to see how I complete the full process. But yeah, this is how I prep the aloe. Real short and sweet. This is what I have left. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to make oil today, but I've been wanting to make the aloe oil for the hair. So, but yeah, so these are all of the pieces that I'm gonna apply directly to the hair. So I'm about to do that. And after I apply all of that, I just wash my hair like regular. After I steam it and everything, I just wash it like regular. I load time. I am just gonna go through my hair, and I've already separated it in 4 sections, but oh God, the lighting is not the best in here, but whatever, y'all get it. Y'all gonna get this, okay? This is the real, the reality. And I look a hot mess, but whatever to that. But yeah, so I'm just going through sectioning my hair, y'all. And I have a full video on this, like I said, on my channel about how I do this. But I do this, I don't do it all the time, but when my hair feels extra dry and I need a pre-poo or detangling, I'll pull out the aloe, okay? And like I said, my hair has been pure trash the last 2 weeks. And I have to be honest, I've just been mishandling my hair. Shame on me. So that's why I had to pull in the aloe. So just taking it, ooh, and just applying it directly on my hair, y'all. And sliding that bad belly down. It can get messy, but whatever. The messiness is worth it. And this breaks down my tangles too, y'all. So that's another reason why I like using it. It really does. Breaks my tangles down and prevents a lot of breakage. And I just go through it and just work it in. Taking that same aloe piece, because we're not wasting nothing. Okay. We're using it all, honey. Alright. We're not wasting an inch See how it just makes it so easy. It just melts my tangles away. I love it. Look at that. Man, I wish I would have discovered aloe earlier in my hair journey. Probably would have saved me a whole bunch of hair and a lot of hair headaches. But that's okay. I got you now. Hello. Hello. You see them eyes? You see that? Let me finish this up. This takes about 20 minutes for me to work it in. Done applying all of the aloe, y'all. I almost ran out. My hair was so dry. I almost ran out. So, I'm gonna let this sit. It's gonna be a wash day today. Nothing exciting, nothing too sexy. Okay. But yeah, y'all see what that aloe did to that? Ooh. Broke those tangles all the way up. But I am just going to continue to detangle my hair, wash my hair for the day, and chill out for the rest of the day. Ain't too much going on. That's it. That's all, y'all. That is it, and that is all. And then, ooh, got aloe everywhere. I'm going to take my little shower cap. I'm going to pop this on. And then I'm going to sit under a steamer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Today is going to be a wash day. Get my whole life together. Get my hair together because I've been super trifling. So yeah, that is it. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. And until next time, I'll see y'all on the other end. Bye.